Hey there, welcome to the second episode of HTML and CSS fundamentals. And in this episode, we will learn how to install the VS Code and how to install the plugins along with VS Code, and you will get to know the VS Code. Okay, just how we will be able to work with it. So just go to Google and search for VS Code, hit enter, then go here. The first website is code.visualstudio.com and go click on it, and there are some versions of it based on different operating system, like a version for Mac operating system, a version for Windows operating system, another one is for Linux operating system. So for me, I will pick the Windows, and if you're from Mac or Linux, you can just download it. Okay, so for me, I'll just click on it and it will automatically start downloading. I'll just select my download location and it will download. I'm not going to install it because I already have it installed on my system, but if you want, you can double click on it and install. It's very simple. If you need, you can watch tutorials on it on YouTube and just install it on your desktop. Okay, after installing, it will start something like this, a fresh window where this is written as get started, and here you'll see new file, open folder, git repository, something like this. Okay, so what is this and why this looks like this? What is this? I know this is a bit of complex, like how to create a new file, how to open a folder, and where we will write our code. But okay, take it slow. I'll take you there. But at first, you need to download plugins or extension. So go here and type live server. Okay, so there you go. I have already installed it, so it's showing disable and installed, but for you it might show install there. So just click on install and it will automatically install after a while. Maybe will take maximum of 5 minutes something, and then install the Prettier. So click on it and install it. Okay, so after installing, you are ready to go, and now your first task is create your first HTML file. And how we'll create our first HTML file here, like where we will write our code, and how we'll watch what we're typing, like where is the output. So just click on it, open folder. It will take you to your Explorer. Just go to your folder where you want to create your website. I'll just type my website. I've created this website, created this folder, and I have to select folder. After selecting the folder, you see the outlook or the interface has changed, and here it is showing my website. You can see there is your folder name, and you can click here to create new file, click here to create new folder, and you can refresh it and you can collapse. We'll see what this does when our code gets bigger and we'll have much more files to work with. Okay, so how to create files here. So let's get started about creating files. So you can see, okay, so this is our website, and if you open it, you can see there's nothing inside it. But how we will be able to create our files, how we will be able to create our HTML files, CSS files. So click on it, give a name. This is a file dot. Okay, so what is an extension? So if you have seen music, let's check some audio clip. If you have a music clip, you can see it is a file type of .mp3. This is an extension. Okay, this is called file extension. For songs we see .mp3, for video we see .mp4, for Word documents we see .docx, and much more. We have seen .avi, many things we have seen. Those are file types. We have seen rar files or zip files, .zip, .rar. So these are called file extensions. So for HTML we need a .html type file. So here is it .html. So before .html you can give it any name you want, like any name, like my name, anything, .html. So .html makes it the HTML file. You can see there is a HTML logo here, HTML5 logo. So press enter and it will create a new file. You can see your cursor is blinking over here, and if you go to your file explorer to check, here you can see there is the our file, myname.html. You can create another file to check, like, okay, let's check if this is really working or not. Okay, my second file dot html, you can see it automatically creates another file. So creating a file over here is similar to creating a file over your explorer. So we'll basically stick to the VS Code file creating setting. So I'll just keep it here, and you can turn off or close the get started, and then we have two HTML file. Okay, we don't need two HTML file, we can keep one of them, any one of them. So just press delete on your keyboard and it will delete it. Okay, so this is your first HTML file. That's how you work with your Visual Studio Code, and there you have some more settings over here, and you have comment palette. So in comment palette you can change your color, like if you type color, there will be color theme, and if you click on it, there are so many color themes. I have installed some of my own, like what I've really loved from the store, and you can see there are so good color themes over here, and it really changes the vibe of your code interface. And how to install them, just click on extension, and if you type Atom Wonder, so you need to know the theme name. Okay, so that's how the theme name works, and you can just filter using category. You can give theme, so all of the themes will show here. You can see all of the themes are here: Dracula theme, GitHub theme, winter is coming theme. So many themes are here. Just this filter, category and themes, and you can install it, and then you have to go here, comment palette and color theme, then you can pick it from here. Okay, so I have my own personal themes over here. You can create or pick any of your theme you want. I'll just stick around my favorite one, that is Atom Wonder. I really like this theme. Okay, so in the next episode we'll learn about the tags and your first HTML file. So I'll see you in the next